Someone sneezes on a plane. They have the Ebola. Will people on the plane get it?
Tough question. If the person is asymptomatic, it's early in the disease, they probably won't be shedding virus. If they're sick and shedding virus, it's dangerous, and potentially they could transmit infection.
Can you pre-protect a plane?
No, but I think to Scott's point is that if someone was so sick that they had a lot of virus in their sneeze droplets, they'd probably be too sick to get on the plane.
I think also, though, to recognize that, again, a sneeze is not one of these things that's airborne in the sense of going long distances. Sneeze would fall within about 3 feet.
Watch new episodes of Larry King Now, Monday through Thursday, on demand on Hulu and Aura.tv.